this video, we'll show a few practical craft ideas. Watch this video and learn how to use them in your DIY projects. The duck face has been long off the trend, but the lips made of hot glue, this is what you need. Let's make them ourselves. Lubricate the foil with cream. Using a hot glue gun, draw lips on the foil. Gently squeezing the glue, add a row of teeth. Remove the workpiece from the foil. You need white and red acrylic paints. Draw a snow white smile. Paint the lips in red. Attach a flat wooden stick. A selfie with lovely lips is worthy of thousands of likes. Ah, Paris! Let's inspire ourselves with the beauty of the Champs-Élysées and decorate the house with a miniature of the Eiffel Tower. You will make it from hot glue, of course. As a template, use a black and white image of the Eiffel Tower. Put the cream-coated glass on the picture. Repeat the contours of the drawing with a hot glue gun. Carefully draw lines and connect parts of the drawing to each other. You need 4 identical pieces. Glue them together in a 3D shape. The whole romance of Paris is on your desk. It looks very beautiful. Let's decorate your cosmetic mirror with an elegant snake. Extrude hot glue in the form of a snake on a piece of foil. Paint it. Make the scaly back dark green and the tummy yellow. Place the snake around the mirror leg, attaching it with hot glue. The decor can be safely used as a stand for cosmetics. In a house with children, safety is everything. Let's make a socket protection in the form of a bright chamomile. You need a sheet of paper and paint tape. Fold the paper with a roll and measure the diameter of the socket. Attach the edge with a piece of paint tape. Smear the tube with oily cream from the inside. Place it on the foil. Fill a part of the tube with hot glue. Let it cool down and take out the round piece. Draw a daisy on the cream-coated foil. Attach it to the middle of the hot glue cylinder. Paint the flower with juicy acrylic paint. Take out the plug of the appliance from the socket and protect the socket with a bright plug. Done! In our next bit, we'll show you how to make a nightlight that looks like an old castle. We are going to need a plastic bottle. Cut off the neck and the bottom, leaving just the cylindrical middle part. Print out a picture of a castle. Cut it out. Place it around the cylinder and glue the end of the picture. Place a safety candle inside. Very pretty! We couldn't hold back and made a bunch of cool castles that glow in the dark. This cool hanger is also made of a plastic bottle. Cut the upper part of the bottle. Make some holes on the bottom edge with a puncher. Draw some flowers on the base of the bottle. Cut them out and punch a hole in each of them. Paint the top of the bottle in yellow with some acrylic paint. Paint the flowers in pink and white and their centers yellow. Attach the flowers to the top of the bottle with some strings. We can control the lengths of the string to give the flowers a spiraling effect. This flowering piece will definitely give your room a summer vibe, even in winter. For the next life hack, we are going to need 2 bottle upper parts. One of the bottles must be bigger. Cut off the base and the upper part of a whole bottle. We'll only need the middle part in the shape of a cylinder. Check to see which one of the 2 upper parts fits in the cylinder. Glue together the necks of the 2 upper parts. Coat them with white acrylic paint. Take a piece of cloth with a pretty design on it and wrap and glue it around the cylinder. Decorate with some ribbons and laces. Put together our supports and lampshade. Now we can put a safety candle inside. We ended up with a very interesting lamp, and no one could ever guess that it's made out of plastic bottles. You prefer over-the-ear headphones, but they look, not like much. Let's decorate them with some stuffed animals. We'll need a couple of small teddy bears. Gently cut open their backs and take out some of the stuffing. Attach the bears onto the headphones with hot glue. You'll enjoy looking at these stylish teddy bear headphones just as much as listening to them. Look how cute they are! You don't know pain until you've stepped on a Lego block in the dark. Let's gather up those Lego blocks and make something useful out of them. Make a wide platform out of some bricks and blocks. Build a small wall around the perimeter. Add some tiny squares, and we get a simple and useful soap tray. Bob the Builder would be proud. It's a real trend nowadays, having a letter as a decor piece. We can make it even more interesting by adding some old, unused toys. We'll need a piece of cardboard. Draw a letter on it. Gather up a bunch of small toys. They can be toy soldiers, Lego blocks, miniature cars, and even Kinder Egg toys. Position them on the letter and secure them with hot glue. Add the toy soldiers to the base to reinforce the setup. This designer letter will be a welcome addition to a children's room. In this next life hack, we'll be making a decorative bicycle vase out of household materials. We'll need 3 CDs, a plastic container, a cap from a bottle of spray paint, and some coffee stirring sticks. Trim 2 stirring sticks with the help of some pliers. Glue them on both sides of the CD. Add another piece perpendicular to them. Does it look like a bicycle wheel yet? Add the cap basket to the wheel. Using a sharp knife, make a cut in the plastic container. Insert some stirring sticks into the hole in the container and secure them with hot glue. Make 2 cuts in the walls of the container. Put another stick through the holes. Glue together the bicycle frame and the wheel with a hot glue gun. Attach the CD wheels. Cover the vase with white spray paint. This cute bicycle will be a good addition to your garden or interior setup. For the next decor idea, we're going to need 4 empty jars of baby food and a roll of twine. Attach the twine on the outer side of a jar with a hot glue gun. Do the same for the other side. Get another string and wrap it around the neck of the jar. Secure the ends with hot glue. Attach the other jars to the twine in the same fashion. Let's add some decoration. Make a bow out of twine and decorate it with a pearl. Glue the bow to the jar, and we end up with a very pretty hanger for flowers and candles. You could also fill the mini vases with water and add some real flowers. Very romantic! We can even turn these glass jars into some very beautiful vases, and for that, we'll use some colorful socks. Pull the socks onto the jar. Fold the edge of the green sock into a donut shape and secure the sock with the pattern on the neck of the container. Our cozy vases are ready to accommodate some spring flowers. And now, let's reveal the secret technique on how to transfer a pattern onto glass dinnerware. We are going to need a black and white laser printed picture and a roll of wide tape. Stick a piece of tape onto the picture. Smooth out the tape with scissors. Cut out the outline of the picture. Dip our transferring film in some water. Carefully remove the layer of paper. Transfer the picture onto the glass. The picture dries out and stays firmly in place. You can make a whole set of designer dinnerware. The next idea can be used for home decoration or as a great gift for your friend. Decorate a candle in a decoupage style. Print out a picture the same size as the candle. Place the picture up against the candle and wrap it around with some parchment paper. Evenly heat up the candle with a hairdryer. Under the heat, the picture starts to stick to the wax. You can still use the candle or just keep it as a nice souvenir. You can make this colorful painting using just some ordinary straws. You're going to need a wooden frame as a base and some plastic straws. Trim the straws to the size of the inner part of the frame. Glue the straws tightly together. Look how fast we are making progress! Now, you may decorate it with some miscellaneous pieces or add some letters to make a motivational quote. Ballet, ballet, ballet. Those elegant dancers would be a welcome addition to any girly room. Either use a template or draw out the silhouettes of the dancers. Choose a pastel background for our piece. Cut out a ballerina costume from paper and add tulle or some organza. Decorate the hair with some beads and decorative paint. We've got a panel with 3 ballerinas. They're so ethereal! In the next bit, we'll show you how to make a DIY light box. We're going to need a big picture frame with a glass cover. Take out the glass and place some letters on top in a mirrored fashion. Using a sponge, apply paint on the glass and on top of the letters. Now, we need a candy box. Glue the bottom of the box to the back side of our artwork. Place some Christmas lights into our box. This light box will serve as a great piece of decor and also as a great night lamp. Subscribe to Troom Select. Hit the like button and press on the bell icon to stay up to date with our newest releases.